biggest challenge that you have when you're trying to manage access for a university or a large institution is that there are a lot of people with a lot of access needs. When I first came to the university, we only had physical keys for access. The very first thing I did was implement key control. We have gone through the process of putting boxes in every one of our academic, administrative, and support buildings, and every person in our community uses that box.
As long as I have my ID with me, I will be able to access any building I want, any area that I need, without having to second guess myself. We know that the keys are going to be residing inside the box, and it's just a matter of us presenting, opening, selecting, and getting the job done.
There is a ton of contractors that are on campus at any given time of the day or night that need access to specific areas. They supply us with their ID of who they are and what company they're with. We in return hand them their card for the university. They go across to the key box, grab their keys, and now they're accountable for the keys.
If that contractor forgot to grab the keys from the main source, they had to come back. That's an hour at the minimum. Not having to worry about grabbing a set of keys to go down to our west side to do business is huge.
We started our journey with a different platform other than Traka, and it did not go well. So we ended up looking at the Traka solution and found that it hit every need that we have. So we have a centralized solution. All of our users are in one database. All of our boxes are in one database. We can easily manage our keys, see where our end users are, set time schedules, turn on and off access. For us, it was an easy choice to make to switch to the Traka product.
It has plagued our department that we were running constantly to go and open a door for a professor. This system has provided the ability for both our faculty and staff to handle that. You know, where it could have taken 20 minutes, half hour, or what have you, now is within minutes.
We have the ability to manage our Traka system from anywhere, either on campus or from my couch at home. So if I have somebody who needs access on the other campus, I can just, from my desk, give them the access without having to send somebody up to the other campus to unlock a door. We had the National Guard on campus who set up a field hospital in one of our buildings, as well as we housed them in one of our residence halls so that they could support our local hospital here in Danbury.
And I think one or two supervisors from the group had access to the key box. From the key box, they were able to get the tag that was assigned to them. And again, without us being present all the time, they were able to do what they needed to do efficiently and effectively.
Our end users are actually the ones who drove us to put more boxes in, because once they realized they could get their keys at any given time when they needed them, they started asking us, when are you going to be putting a box in this building? It solved our problem for key control, and it solved their convenience need, because you only need that key when you're in the building with the door that it unlocks.
It's just such an easy system, and it's the most dynamic system for any police department or any university to have. It's that simple, and I swear by it.
We were able to give people access conveniently without compromising our key control ability, and that was invaluable to us.